Alright, hey, so today we're going to be replacing the rear plastic / glass panel on the back of the 2009 Porsche Cayenne. So make sure to follow, make sure to subscribe, check out more content. Alright, so here's the panel off the car. This car was hit by a tree, and you can see there's some damage from that. Ended up getting totaled, but it's still here, runs fine. But it's a pretty rare spec, so I figured might as well keep it. But we're going to be replacing this part right here. It should flow nicely with the back glass.
Millimeter. Oh, I need a 6-point for that. Okay. Alright, stop filming for right now. Because I need to prop that up with something because it's not going to stick. Glass is not going to stay out. Maybe it is. Okay.
Nope. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know why that glass won't stay out. Need something to prop that up. I think. So the only reason I'm popping this off at all is I think the new one will just pop right in with these Christmas trees. There's a little piece of Christmas tree under there and under here. There they go. They're out a little bit more than hand tight, just a touch. Suncoast parts from Porsche dealer, and including shipping, it was $90, so not too bad. Could have been worse. I haven't really inspected it. This is my first time seeing it out of the wrapper, so hopefully it's in good condition. It's supposed to be new, and it's silver instead of black.
No, it's got tape on
it.
That's a protecting
tape.
covering.
All right.
I never made it in that color anyways.
Huh? So should I put it on first and then peel it off?
Yeah.
That's covering. Silver. I've seen something.
Okay.
That's gonna blow
Gotta get it started over here.
It's gonna blow towards you.
I gotta get it started because once it's on, I won't be able to reach these.
Why don't you just break? Just break something?
Nope. I think if I don't get this started before I put it on, I won't be able to get it off. So I think I need to at least peel it off the edge here. Yep.
Never mind, it goes the other way.
Everything we said scratch that.
Yep, there you go.
Is that lined up? Alright, it's Mom's Christmas present. her Cayenne, so let's let her rip.
Don't get fingerprints.
Ah, no. Oh, is it 2 pieces of tape? Okay, go. Step out of the shot, please.
And it's white underneath.
Ready?
There we go.
Wow, look how pretty.
Wow.
Now I can make it much better.
Look at that.
Much better.